Hello, this is Raina with LYLO Crafts coming on today as part of the hashtag Saturday Morning Makes or Satmorn Makes, which is an open collaboration that is hosted by Jillian Norwood. And I will put a link to her channel in the description below. And what we are doing is just sharing anything that we have been making creative. So anything. And I am going to share this like mini album folio today that I made. I am so excited about it. I am using this beautiful paper called Joyful from Panalisa. And I'm using the coordinating sticker pack. You can see right here. These are all printed stickers. And I am part of the Panalisa design team. And so I did get this paper as part of the design team, but I love this paper so much. I went on their website and I ordered this and paid for the stickers. So, so excited. So let's go ahead and jump on in. Now, I do want to say that the tutorial I followed for this folio was by May Made It. And she does such an easy tutorial on this. It's so easy to follow, and I'll put a link to that video and her channel in the description below as well. Okay, so here is the cover. So I took these 2 tickets, I cut them apart and I inked them up and I put them onto this topper and I let them hang over the side, okay? And then I used a sticker that from the collection and I put that straight flat onto the topper, and then I used a sticker from the 2 of these stickers from the collection. I mounted those on craft paper so that they would be more firm so I could pop them up. I fussy cut around them and then I popped them up on foam dots. So I love the way that looks. And look at this sweet teapot down here with a sweet treat with cupcakes. And then I used a magnet closure. Oh, this is my first time using a magnet closure. It was so fun. So I used a magnet closure on this. And so when you pop it open, it has this beautiful Harlequin paper on here. And again, all the paper is directly from the collection. And here is what this piece looks like. Now this folds down. Okay, so I'll do the fold down part first. And so you can see that it's got this sweet teapot paper in here. And then it folds down again. And so I used another sticker and then I popped another sticker up to coordinate with these sweet treats. And you can tuck anything right underneath here. Okay, so if you wanted to tuck journaling or pictures, you could totally tuck underneath that. And then look at this sweet polka dot paper. And then look at that giant teapot with the sweet treats, the flowers and the cups. So again, pop this up onto that craft cardstock and you can slide anything behind this. So if you wanted to make pockets or you wanted to layer in pictures, you totally could. So I love that. So that's the bottom part. Now for the center part. So for this one, I did also pop that up on the top, and then it opens this way. And so this I added, so I didn't exactly follow her tutorial, but I did add this pocket. And I took some of my scraps that I had and I made a tag. And I made this tag, and then so that I didn't waste any of this craft paper, I just took my little punch and I punched on the edge here to make a sweet tag or journaling spot. So I've got those tucked in right here. I think I'm going to probably add some trim here too. And then I layered up 3 more of the stickers and again popped one up that you can slide things on. So that's this top one. Then you fold out like this and you can see there are 2 spots with pockets. And so inside this pocket, I've got this 5x5 card, again with that sweet polka dot paper. And this time I left the sticker flat so it would fit really well inside of the pocket. But I think you could puff it up too. And I covered the back with just some plain cardstock. Now, I thought this was fun. I cut this paper so that these line up. Isn't that cool? So it's like one 6x6 sheet of paper on there, or one image. So then this just slides right on in here. And then on this side, I use the craft cardstock that I happened to put on the front just because it was busy. But I did put a matching teapot. Isn't that so sweet how that matches with that? And then on the back, I used this really beautiful like lacy print fabric, also from the collection. So I'll just slide this in here. And now this opens up. So isn't that sweet? I love this cupcake paper with all these sweet treats on it. And then when you look on the right side, oh, I think this is my favorite sheet because it looks like it's all layered up and it has that beautiful polka dotted vase with treats. I love that. And then you open it up and this sheet has one of these beautiful vases, and I use the vase with the flowers again to match here. And that is popped up. You can slide something under there. And then I used a cupcake over here that I also popped up that you can put in. So that folds like that. This folds in. This then folds, and then the bottom folds up, and then the top folds like that. And then I did cover all the spine pieces as well with just my scraps. And then this is the back. Oh, I just love that. Look at that sweet lace on the back, and you can see I've got polka dotted trim on the bottom. So I just love the way this sweet little album or folio turned out, and I'm so excited to give it to a friend. And so thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you like what I made, and I hope you'll visit the Panalisa store. I will put a link to these products in the description below, as well as some of the other awesome items that I got from them. And I hope you have an amazing day. Bye-bye.